Hey guys, how are you doing today? In last session, we saw about put HTTP method. In put HTTP method, we sent a request to the server, okay, with the body, with the entire representation of the body, and it updated the resource at the server, right? It updated like this, like name and job, and updated that. This is what we did in put, where because put update the entire resource. But what if we want to update partially? I don't want to update entire resource name and job. I just want to update just name, something like that. So what to do in that case? In that case, the patch HTTP method helps us. So patch HTTP method, what it does is it is used for making a partial update to the resource on the server. While making a patch request, we'll send a set of data in a request body. Here also we need to send a data in the request body so that it can apply to the existing resource on the server, guys. So once server receives that request, it will process it and apply the specific changes to the resource. So the difference between put and patch is put will entirely update the resource, whole resource, but patch will allow us to do the partial update. That is the main difference between put and patch. Here also the request and response will be in JSON format, and these are the standard response codes. So if it is successful, then it would be in this range, and if there is an error, client or server error, it would be in these ranges. Alright, so let's go to the REQ and instead of put, let's select the patch. Patch is also update, put is also update, but you understood the difference between these two updates, right? So let's do that. So now we are going to just click open this and we'll get the URL. So this URL we are going to copy, and in our Postman we are going to click on plus button right here. So these were our earlier requests. So let's click on plus again. It will open our new request. Now from the drop down we'll select the patch and we'll paste the URL right here. Alright, so as you can see, here we need to pass the body. Alright, so we will copy this, and from here in on Postman we will go to this body section, and under raw format we need to paste this. So let's paste, we'll just change the name and the job. Okay, fine. And then we'll change the format as well. We'll change it to JSON. Now we'll send it. Okay, now we got a response status code as 200. Okay, means it is successful and it has updated it. If you want to just update name and send, so from here we can just update the partial name as well, right? So it has updated it. Correct. This is what a patch request does. Yeah, that's it guys for this video. In next video we'll see about the delete HTTP method. Thanks for joining in.